6, money is energy and energy can never stay stagnant. I see this law where people make money and they are so afraid to spend that money. They're so afraid to circulate that money back into the economy. They're so afraid to release that energy, and they're living in such scarcity mindset that they just end up losing it all somehow. Or they may not lose it, but more money never flows to them. Money is energy. It's inflow and it's outflow. And that doesn't mean that everything that comes in must go out. No. In fact, especially in your 20s, you should be saving and investing majority of the money that you make. But never hoard that money, because if you do, the money becomes stagnant and you have cut off the flow of energy. Number 7 is you need to build your peace of mind pot. This is a fund that gives you true peace of mind. This needs to be a safety net where you know that no matter what happens, no matter how ambitious, how big a risk you may even take, that you always have something to fall back on. I do not believe that money buys happiness, but I believe that money can, if you do it right, buy you peace of mind. And bear in mind, that doesn't mean making a lot of money, because the person who makes $200,000 a year and only spends $40,000 and has a very big peace of mind pot, that person has far more peace in their life than the person who makes $20 million a year and manages to spend $19 million, because they're running on such thin margins and they're playing such a dangerous game. So from day one, if you can build your peace of mind pot, then that's great. And bear in mind, in my opinion, the older that you get and the larger that peace of mind pot gets, the more income that comes in, the higher the percentage that you can spend. So I'm not saying for the rest of your life you need to put away, 80% of everything that you make. I'm just saying at the beginning, really build that peace of mind pot, so that way you're not going into your career stressed, but instead can focus because you understand that you're good. And then later down the line, once that pot's big enough, then go spend it. Never let anyone tell you that something is too expensive. If you have your finances in order, if you're always putting good money away, if you want to spend $100,000 on some stupid thing that no one else gets, but it makes sense for you financially, go spend it. I really don't agree and don't like all these people that just make all this money and hoard it and keep it and don't do anything with it. At a certain point, you need to enjoy your life. And if you don't want to enjoy your life, go spend it on your loved ones, on the ones that you care about. Let them enjoy the spoils of your work. But as I said, always keep your peace of mind.